Now before we go to the question number 17 and 18, there are some formula has to be understood for solving this equation. So first let's understand the formula. Here are the formula. The first one is the probability of complementary event. Now here P of A complement equals to 1 minus P of A. This is what the formula of A complementary. Now out of this, if we want to find out P of A, we can just switch the places of this, that is 1 minus P of A complementary. So exactly P of A plus P of A complementary is equals to 1. So out of this we can use three types of formula. Next, the probability of two event A and B. Now whenever the question comes like to find out the probability of A complementary intersect B complementary or P equals to A union B complementary, the solution formula will be 1 minus P A union B. यानी कि या तो आपको क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा जाएगा या तो ये पूछा जाएगा, इन दोनों का ही फॉर्मूला कॉमन है, दिस वन. सेम फॉर दिस हैज टू बी राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक एंड गेट इट प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज ये फॉर्मूला के अंडरस्टैंडिंग किए बिना you won't be able to solve the next question number 17 and 18. So it is very compulsory to write down this formula and try to solve. Now here I will show you कि अगर आपको सिर्फ A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी पूछे तब भी इसका सोल्यूशन ये होगा. इवन इफ इट इज A कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इंटरसेक्ट B कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, that time also the solution will be the same. Same for the next formula, which is P A complementary union B complementary. Here again 1 minus P A intersect B. Same for this one, the formula will be 1 minus P A intersect B. Another one where P equals to A difference B or the P A intersect B complementary, या तो फिर क्वेश्चन में P equals P of B complementary intersect A भी आ जाए तब भी आपका सोल्यूशन यही होगा. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद दिस फॉर्मूला. अनदर वन इज A difference B. Again the solution will be same. Same here. If it would be P difference A, this will be the formula. Same for this. So first of all, write down this formula before we go with the next question. One more formula have to be understand. The probability of law of addition, which is A union B, P of A plus P of B minus P intersect B. This will be understand with more details in the next. Question number 17. For two events A and B in the sample space of random experiment where their value is given of P of A, P of B and P intersect B. Then to find out some of this equation is given. For this I have already shown you the formula. So here it's P A complementary, whereas the formula is P of 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus P of A value is given. Just keep the value in the formula and try to solve. Here is the solution. Next, P equals to A difference B, where the formula solution will be minus A intersect B. Here again P of B value is already given, even the A intersect B, which is 0.15. If you get them minus, the answer will be 0.35. Same for this, we'll just write down the formula minus P A intersect B. Here P of A is 0.6 minus A intersect B is 0.15. If you get them minus, you will get 0.45. Now here P of A complementary intersect B complementary, the solution is 1 minus P A union B. Now here the solution came P to find out A union B. If you see the question, here we got the answer only of A intersect B. In the question A union B का solution ready नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर हम ढूंढेंगे फर्स्ट A union B, जिसके लिए मैंने आपको लॉ ऑफ एडिशन का फॉर्मूला दिखाया. Otherwise, we are going to learn in our next exercise about the law of addition. For now, let's solve for this equation. P of B minus P A intersect B. P of A, which is given in the question, is 0.6, P of B is 0.5, and intersect B is 0.15. Now let me calculate this. You will get 0.95. Now let's keep the value in A union B, which is 0.95. Here we get the answer 0.05. The last one is A complementary union B complementary. Here the formula is 1 minus A intersect B, which is 1 minus 0.15, and here we get the answer 0.85. Moving to the next. For two events A and B in the sample space of a random experiment, P of A complementary equals to 2P of B complementary equals to 3PA. Probability of A intersect B is 0.6. And here the question is to find out A difference B and B difference A. Now here for this, first let's take this value. Here we will denote A complementary equals to 0.6. Another one, 2. P of B complementary is 0.6. But now we'll take it 2 in the denominator. So that will be the solution. Next is this one, which is 3 A intersect B, and it has to be denoted by 0.6. Again intersect B. Let's take this 3 number into the denominator, 3, which will be get 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So here the solution is 0.2. And now the question is to find out A difference B. First let's write down A difference B. Now the formula for this is P of A minus P of A intersect B. अगर ध्यान से देखो तो इंटरसेक्ट तो मिल चुका है, पर P of A हमारे पास नहीं है. हमारे पास जो है वो A कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. तो यहाँ पे पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे P of A is 1 minus P of A complementary. 1 minus A complementary is 0.6. If we get them minus, the value is 0.4. So P of A we find out is 0.4. Let's keep 0.4 minus A intersect B, that is 0.2. Final answer is 0.2. Next, the second situation which is given in the question to find out is P of B difference A. Now here the formula is P of B minus P of A intersect B. Here P of B is again not given. Okay, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Here the solution is 0.3 P of B complementary. So let's find out P of B, where the formula will be same. ऐसा ही आएगा, बस यहाँ पर आप लिखोगे B complementary जो हमें solution में मिला था. Here we get P complementary is 0.3. If we get them minus, you will get 0.7. Just keep this value into the formula, that is 0.7 minus A intersect B is 0.2. Here we get the answer 0.5. So here we complete our exercise 1.2. Moving to the next exercise.